Hello, I'm David from Laravel Daily Team, and you may see more of me in the future on this channel as I'm helping Povilas to shoot these daily videos. And today we are going to talk how to make localized email notifications in your Laravel project. Let's jump into official Laravel documentation and see suggested way for implementing such feature. The most easiest way to do that is by explicitly specifying locale when invoking notification using locale method provided by notification class, but there's a better way. Subject of interest there is user preferred locales. What we need to do is to implement hasLocale preference contract in user model and then to add actual implementation of preferred locale method as shown below in this snippet. As documentation says, there's no need to call locale method when sending notification and mailables. You can read more details in this link below or just click the link in the description, and let's jump into implementation. We made demo project for this purpose to demonstrate you how it works. It's fresh Laravel installation with Laravel Breeze Starter Kit, and here we have a registration form where user can select his preferred locale in this dropdown. When user submits the form, it gets welcome email in his native language. Let me show you the actual welcome email the user got. And here we can see it's in English. For example, if user chose Lithuanian locale, the email would be in that language. Let's see the result. And here we can see all the strings translated into Lithuanian language. Another important thing I would like to show you that this locale dropdown automatically detects and suggests locale depending on your browser settings. Now my browser has preferred language set to English, and when I do full refresh on page, it automatically selects English locale. As we can see now, it's English. Let's see what happens if I change that. In my browser, there's an option choose your preferred language for displaying pages. I move Lithuanian language to the top, refresh the page, and see that this dropdown already has Lithuanian locale selected. Now let's jump behind the scenes and see the code. Initial steps and setup is pretty simple. We have a new column for our database to store locale in users table called Locale. Then in user model, we have hasLocale contract and actual implementation with method preferred locale return this locale. And in app config, we have an array of our supported languages in the system, key as language code and value as the name of the language. Next, in register controller create method, we retrieve our supported locales from config. Then locale codes variable retrieves all keys from our supported locales as shortcodes. Important part there is that Getpreferredlanguage method provided by request class accepts an array of your supported locale shortcodes. This method is interesting in a way that it matches user's browser locale from accept language header in request with locales your application supports, which we have already defined in a config. And in case no match is found, it returns the first supported locale, which would be English under our conditions. Then we just pass the preferred locale and supported locales to our blade view. And our locale dropdown in the register blade file is not really that much different from what you might have implemented in the past. We have for each loop for all our locale options and two conditions to display if the option is selected. So the first one is in case our validation fails, so it remembers previous value. And second one is to automatically select preferred locale. Let's get back to register controller store method. Here we have additional entry to validate locale value and another one to store users locale in a database we have created in a migration previously. As you can see in our users table, we have locale column with actual users locale value stored in it. After user is stored to database, then registered event gets dispatched. In event service provider.php file, there's a listener called send welcome email bound to registered event. And if I inspect send welcome email class, we would see that it notifies user with welcome email notification. Let's check on that welcome email notification. In toMail method, there's new mail message object with subject, message, and button text. As you might already noticed, those strings are prefixed with double underscores, which means that if there's translation available for that locale, in our case locale which user has chosen, then it will get translated. If you are wondering where translations lie, they are in resources lang.lt.json file. You see the path on bottom left corner. It is basic key value pairs from English to Lithuanian language in JSON format. For more information, please check description section below our video. If you have more questions or just want to say thanks, please write down us a comment and subscribe to the channel to support us posting daily videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.